happening, bro? Chachos. I'm currently at LAX. My flight got delayed. I was in New York last night with my chick at a concert, and my flight was supposed to arrive today at noon so I can make it to the Tuner Evo event on time. Instead, it's 2 hours delayed. So now I'm running to go get my car out of this parking structure because it's like $40 an hour here to park. Gotta drive all the way to Anaheim and meet up with all the boys that are already shredding at the convention center during the Tuner Evo Onsomeshit railjam. Oh, I'm winded. This has been like a mile already. All right, one more terminal to go, and then I'll be to my vehicle. Oh. So that took me about 45 minutes to get here. We're now in traffic by Disneyland. That's Disneyland over there. Made it. I'm here, boys.
Turn right.
Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna be able to talk about this, but Bosshog,
It's hard.
dude, he jumped off, lets the bike go, and the bike bounces, boom, boom, from here to that truck. And as the bike is bouncing, Harkous sees it, jumps forward, hits his bike, pushes the bike out of the way. But
Saved the day.
Saved the day. His tire still grazed the good dude's lip.
He was all right, though?
So yeah, but he was all right. So, but it was still, yeah.
All right, fish saved the day. I didn't know how to get around here. I came here last year, but we went through a different entrance, so.
VIP everything.
VIP everything? Oh, it's packed, huh?
It's wild. There's a lot of fast cars here. You're gonna be in heaven.
We made it! A little late, but I made it. Harkous, do something! Oh, and he blew it! Blew it! You're my top paid rider, and this is what you do? Run it back, run it back.
$5,000. That's a lot of lap dances. One of these BMX riders is going to leave here with a lot of lap dances.
10,000?
Started at 10,000.
Ready for the 10K challenge or what?
10,000?
10K.
What's good, y'all?
No features.
No features. He went platinum with no features. He went platinum with no large spin.
In your face. Abdullah got his back!
Come on, Abdullah! Abdullah! Oh! He is so down and goes down. And
High air contest! Got another one. Oh, man. Bubushka! Oldest man on campus. How are your bones not dust, sir? Scaradici.
Questa è una musica basa di quelle bosse la Bubushka Rocky, scende le bosse passare a boss, quelle rollback walkie, se le sondaras.
the squad out here. What's that? Badass. Yeah, I have not slept yet. Like 8:30. They all look like models. Teardown. Yeah, might as well. This is how we keep our bikes from getting jacked. Tower of art.
The fried zucchini though.
Fucking up the club.
Fried zucchini.
Alright, so Tuner Evo is winding down. We just took apart all the ramps and packed them all up. Then we went to go get some food. And now we're gonna finish loading everything up and get on out of here. But big shout out to Sebastian over at Tuner Evolution for always taking care of us. We're talking about maybe doing the Miami stop on April 20th or 20, and that's gonna be sick if we can make it happen. So for all our Miami homies, maybe we'll see you in April. Let me go say bye to the boys real quick. Leave the cars alone, Linwood. All wrapped up and ready to go. You out? Thank you. Later, Dick. Thank you. Pablito, good luck, good ride. Thank you. You got what, 12 hours till home? What happened?
Give me my phone.
I don't have your phone.
You don't have your phone. You don't have my phone.
No, I don't have it.
I don't have your phone.
Later, man. Good seeing you. Happy birthday, by the way.
Have you checked? You should go back to Apollo Burgers.
You should press him right now.
I don't
press
have
his phone?
Yeah, press him.
Call your phone. Where's my phone?
I don't have your phone.
Are you ready? I don't have your Look, pussy.
All right, Harkous, I got it.
Pussy. Grab him by the arm and take your phone back.
I don't want to cause a scene here.
Fish.
What a
Last
good
words?
day. What a good day. Go fast, hold on, wear your seatbelt. Fuck dogs.
Still got it, Fish.
Thanks.
Bigos, love you.
Bye. Love you.
Booby.
Bye.
Hoggy.
Bye-bye.
All right, now you know it's over. All right, about to get the show going. All right, everyone's packing up. We're about to bounce. The boys are waiting in line over there, and that should be it. Shout out to everybody that came out. Tuner Evo. We'll see you guys soon. Like, share, comment, subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.